Hello and welcome to my first of Ricky's Tech Talk Basics. So this is a new style of video just showing the basics of a device that I'm taking a look at the moment. So today we will be showing you how to insert a SIM card into the new Emporia TalkActive device that we've recently taken a look at on the channel. For this video you'll need your device, which we've had here. It's powered off. You'll need your nano size SIM card. This is the smallest out of the three now and is the most commonly used in most smartphones. So it's a nano sized SIM card. Make sure your device is powered off. So turning around to the back of our device, we will need to take off the back plate. Use a fingernail in the bottom left corner and just, there we go, start to. Don't worry, it's just the clips unclipping. Take the back plate off. Then we have the battery, which you remove from the top here. So just under the emergency button, you remove the battery. Inside here is a little tray that cages your SIM card. So what you need to do is actually push this up. Just push it up gently, and the whole thing will actually lift up. So it lifts up like this. Take your SIM card, as the diagram shows there, with the bottom corner at the bottom right-hand side, the cut-off corner. Lay it in here, so it'll just sit in there. Bring that cradle back down and pull down with that, and now it's secure, so I can turn it over and it won't fall out. Replacing the battery is quite simple. You use the gold pins at the bottom, connect with the gold pins down here, and again push that in first, sit that in, that's nice. Take the back plate. You should hear loads of the cracks of the clips clicking in, brilliant. Turn our device over. The power button is on the bottom and it's on its own. Press and hold that, short little vibrate, and then it will begin to boot up. And there we go, we've got the time and our device is ready to go, and we've got the network connection there and you're able to use your device. I hope this simple basic video has helped. If you have any issues, please leave a comment below and make sure to subscribe for all of my latest videos. From me, Ricky, thank you for watching and have a great day.